Getting started with a cursor is really straightforward. We're going to go to the extensions, we'll look for Checkmarx, and we will click install. You can go ahead and trust the publisher. And when that's finished installing, we will go ahead and we will verify that our extension is loaded. Here we can see it is, and we're going to go ahead and log in. So we'll click on the API key login, and we'll paste our API key and click login. If you need an API key, you can get one by signing up for a free trial at dev.checkmarx.com. Great. Now that we are authenticated, let's go and verify that our MCP is loaded. So we'll go into the cursor settings and we'll click on Tools and MCPs. And we can see the Checkmarx MCP is there. And we can see the code remediation, the image remediation, and the package remediation functions all installed and ready to go. So from here, let's go over to our project and we'll click on one of our files here. We can see at line 34, we've got a vulnerability. And so we can hover over this and we can choose to fix it with Checkmarx 1 assist. So this will take the prompt and pass it over to Cursor. And we can see here Cursor is running the code remediation tool. And we can go ahead and allow it to run. And from here, Cursor will take the instructions provided from Checkmarx and walk us through the exact fix. Great. And here we can see the remediation suggestion. Added a couple of new lines for us. And finally, we get the remediation summary, right? So here we can see this was a high severity that was originally on line 34. And we can also see that not only was the vulnerability remediated, but we also went through and verified that the build still passes and that the security tests still pass.